This 2016 Forest River Surveyor 293 RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4 LP detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, skylight, DVD player, awning, oven, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Forest River Surveyor 293 RLTS is 8,472 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.